the thermostat function on your remote, you will be using the button with a thermometer on it. Use this button to navigate through the off, on, and smart options. When the thermostat is on, the unit will turn the flame on and off to keep the desired temperature in the room. The smart mode will allow the flame height to adjust to keep the desired temperature. While in the on or smart modes, you can use the arrow keys to adjust to desired temperature. The temperature in the upper right-hand corner will show the current temperature. And that's it. If you've seen all 3 videos for the ProFlame 2 remote series, you know how to use your remote. If you have further questions, you can navigate to each of our other videos for the ProFlame 2 remote by waiting for the end of the video or by navigating to the description below.